In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show closed tasks in Clickup. Let's get started by opening Clickup, either in your browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, head to your workspace and open the All Tasks view. This view is great because it aggregates tasks across your spaces, folders, and lists, so you can see everything in one place. If your workspace is busy, this is the easiest spot to confirm what's been finished and what's still in progress. At the top of the task view, you'll see the filtering and status controls. By default, many views only show open work, which can make completed items seem like they've vanished. To reveal them, look for the status filter chips. You should see something like open or active selected. Click to include closed in that filter. As soon as closed is added, your list will refresh and all tasks marked as closed will appear. Depending on your setup, closed tasks might look slightly dimmer or grouped under a closed section, so they're easy to distinguish from active work. This is especially helpful for reviewing completed deliverables, validating that nothing was closed prematurely, or gathering context before handing off a report. If you want a clearer snapshot, try sorting by last updated or date closed within your view to bring the most recently completed items to the top. Grouping by status can also make it obvious which items are closed versus open at a glance. When you're done reviewing and want to return to your active workload, simply remove the closed filter. You'll see a small X on the closed chip in the filter bar. Click that and closed tasks will be hidden again. Your list will go back to showing only the tasks that still need attention. A couple of quick tips if you don't see what you expect. Make sure you're not in me mode, which limits results to items assigned to you. Also check for any additional filters like assignee, due date, or list, which might exclude closed items. And keep in mind that archived tasks are different from closed tasks. Archives won't appear here unless they're unarchived or searched for specifically. That's all there is to it. Open Clickup, go to all tasks in your workspace, include closed in the status filter to show completed items, and click the X on closed to hide them again when you're finished. Thanks for watching.